Chicken Vindaloo. Subscribe and click the bell to never miss an update from Jimjan Kitchen. For the Vindaloo masala, take 12 dry bedgi chilies. I have de-seeded them and soaked them in water for 60 minutes. In a grinder jar, take the 12 bedgi chilies, 1 to 1.5 inch ginger, 8 garlic cloves, 1.5 inch stick of cinnamon, 8 to 10 cloves, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, this is optional, and 2 tablespoons vinegar. Add water if required and grind to a fine paste. I have taken 500 grams chicken. Marinate it with 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon turmeric. Mix well and set aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the Vindaloo paste. Mix well. Cover and let it rest for 60 minutes. You can marinate the chicken for an hour or leave it in the refrigerator overnight for maximum flavor. Use a thick bottom vessel for this recipe. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. And add 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Add salt. Remember the chicken was marinated with salt. Fry onions until brown. Now add 2 medium-sized finely chopped tomatoes. Fry the tomatoes until soft. Now add the marinated chicken. Add water to the bowl and mix it in the gravy. Mix well. Cover and cook for 30 minutes or until the chicken is tender and cooked. Add water if you wish to change the consistency of the gravy. Chicken Vindaloo is ready to be served. Serve with steamed rice, pav or any Indian bread. Subscribe to my channel Jimjan Kitchen. Click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.